Hello friends, welcome to part 104 of Laravel development even e-commerce series. So we will continue working on the orders management, and in this part we are going to show the order tracking in my orders. So we are going to show this one in the front end. Last time we have done at the admin level, and now we are going to work on the front end. Okay, so in the front end, when the user logged in into his account, when the user place order, then if the user will go to the my order section, under my orders he can able to see the status, okay, current status, and he can click on view and can able to see the current status as well, but there is no order logs and there is no order tracking. You can see the tracking details are not here. Okay, the like the order is shipped, but we can't able to see the tracking number, tracking link, and the shipping partner. Those details are missing, and also the order log is missing. Okay, that at what time which status has been updated, if the status has been updated by the admin or the status has been updated by the third party, it's not here at all. Okay, so right now we are not doing with the third party, but at least the status that is updated by the admin must be shown here as well. Okay, so we are going to show that status history. Okay, and also we are going to show the more details here in the status as well. So we are going to take the steps that you can find under video, and we are going to execute those steps. So let's start. So we are going to make changes in these four files mainly. One is the order model and order service, and the index and show blade files under orders folder at the front end. Okay. So first of all, we are going to modify the ordered model. We are required to add the logs relation as well as the latest log relation. Logs relation, one order can have many logs, so we are going to add here the has many relation for the log. It's already there, so it's fine. And one more relation we are going to add, and that is the latest single log for quick access in listing. So to get the latest log, we are going to add the has one relation here. So we are going to add this relation, has one relation, to get the latest log. Okay. So after that, we are going to modify the order service at the front. At the front, I open at the front here. So here we are going to uh, add the get user orders as well as the get order details. See, these functions are already there. We are going to modify these functions. We are going to add here the latest log dot status. Here you can see, and also we are going to add here the logs relation here as well in the get order detail. Okay. So in both the functions, we are going to add the log. Okay. Here just the latest log at the order listing. This function we are using for the order listing, and this function we are using for the order detail. So in order detail, the complete logs. So that's why we are going to add the logs relation to it. And in the get user orders, just the last status and some more information we are going to show. Okay. So we are going to modify the both the functions. I'm going to open the order service, and here we'll modify these functions. Get user orders as well as the get order detail. Okay. So after adding this function, now we are going to update the orders index blade file. Here we are going to open, I'm going to open from here sources, views, front, orders, and then index as well as the show blade file. Both the blade files we are going to update. Here in the index blade file, we are going to update that current status. Okay. Right now we are just showing the current status, but more information we are going to show now. I'm going to copy this one and we'll paste it here. I'm going to update this TD. Okay, so it has been done, and now I'm going to check here. See here. Here the order is shipped and it's updated 2 days ago. And here you can see the tracking URL as well. If I will click on tracking URL, it will show the tracking link. Okay, the link that we have added in the admin panel. Here this tracking number is invalid. Okay, so we don't have any tracking right now. This we have added dummy tracking number, but here we can add such a URL, and that URL the user can straight away is can click here to check the tracking details. He is not required to go inside. He can just check from here as well. Okay. So this one we have modified. And now we are going to modify here as well. We are going to show the complete tracking details. We can show either here at down or we can show after the items. Okay. So these complete tracking details, these order status logs, we are going to show in the order detail page. Okay, order detail blade file, that is the show blade file I'm going to show here. Okay, so it's your choice that where you want to show. I'm going to show after items, shipping and billing. I'm going to show this one after items. Okay, you can also show it after shipping and billing if you want. Okay, so now we are going to check here. I'm going to refresh. And here you can see the complete order logs. Okay, so that the user can able to see the logs of his order and also the tracking details. Okay, so the user can able to track his details from here. Here he can simply click on here to check out the tracking details. See valid tracking link we are going to add. Okay, if there is the valid link, then the client is going to add the valid tracking link here. Okay, so also see here the remarks. See, remarks is optional. Like if the admin wants to give the remarks that only he wants to see, then he will not give here. If the remarks he wants to add for the user, then we are going to show here. Okay, so it depends that the admin wants the remarks to show here or not. Means the client wants the remarks to show to the users or not. Okay, so like this you can add this orders log section here in the order detail of the my orders section. Okay, and also see if you want to move this order log at the bottom, you can also move that. Okay, so it's your choice. So this one we have done this thing, and in the next part we will start working on the order invoice in the next part. Okay, so please stay tuned for the next part. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.